Hello guys, welcome to the Travis channel. So here comes the powerful volatility indices strategy, which you guys can be using to make the market crazy. Okay, so this strategy right here is strategy you guys can be using to hold your trades, taking your trades in 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, and I'm showing you guys all the concepts, everything you need to know about the strategy and how you are going to make use of the strategy. This strategy is a long-term strategy, which means that if you have a $2, $5 account, you can use this strategy to take a sniper entries, and with that entry, you are expecting to hold your trades to give you massive profits. Okay, so with that being said, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on a post notification. Enter a posting strategy, you guys will be aware. So I really appreciate you guys doing this subscribe. I really appreciate you guys doing that. And if you want to join the Telegram community, it's absolutely for free. We do post signals each and every week. So you can tell the Telegram community, be the part of the family. We do post signals, so we make money together. Okay. So with that being said, if you also want to contact us for account management, contact number you are seeing at the screen. And if you want premium courses, you also can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which you are seeing at the screen right now. So contact it, and we are going to respond to you as soon as possible. And with that being said, let's quickly begin the strategy without wasting much of our time. Now, guys, so let me show you guys the settings for the strategy before we dive into how you guys are going to make use of the strategy. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is just jump straight to where we are going to add our indicator up. Now, the first indicator that we are going to need, which is going to be in our main chart, is the moving average. Okay, so now to add this moving average up, just click on the main window plus and search for your moving average, which you can see right here. So now click on the moving average, and there is the properties for the moving average. The period is going to be 145, shift is 0. The method is simple, apply to close, and I'm going to use the blue color. You can choose any color of your choice. So when you set it up like this, then click on done, and you're going to see your moving average in front of your chart. Now moving on to the next indicator. So to add the next indicator up, we click on the main window plus and we search for our RSI. Now click on the RSI, this is it. Click on the RSI, and these properties for the RSI. The period is going to be 50, apply to close, and the levels we are going to need, the buy zone and the sell zone. Okay, so which the sell zone is going to be the 90 levels and the buy zone is going to be the 10 levels. So when you set everything up like this, click on done, and you are going to have your RSI in front of your chart. Now moving on to the next indicator. Okay, so the next indicator is going to be the moving average. So once you add the RSI up, automatically going to be listed on your indicator window 1. So click on the indicator window 1 plus and search for moving average. Now click on the moving average, and there's the properties for the moving average. Now the period is going to be 97, shift is 0. The method is going to be linear weighted, applied to which is close HLCC/4, and the color I'm going to be using the blue color. You can choose any color of your choice. Now we set everything up like this and click on done to have your moving average in front of your chart. Now moving on to the last indicator. So now click on the indicator with 1 plus, search for your moving average and click on it, and there's the properties for the second moving average. The period is going to be 45, shift is 0. The method is going to be linear weighted, also applied to previous indicators data, and I'm going to be using the green color. You can choose any color of your choice. So when you set everything up like this, click on done, and this is how your chart is going to look like. So this is how your chart is going to look like. Now if you have not been listing, you have to be listing now, okay, because this is the parts that you are going to need to become successful trading with this strategy alone. Okay, so you have to make sure that you watch this video to the end and make sure you follow all the steps that I'm going to be giving you guys in this strategy. Okay, so how do you now make use of this strategy right here? the first thing you want to do is just go straight to your higher time frame. You can use your H1 and you can use your H4 time frame. Okay, so I'll be using the H4 time frame now. Why did we go to the higher time frame? Now, the reason we go to the higher time frame is just to know the market. Just to know the market condition. We want to know the market, the current market trend. Okay, so we want to know the trend that the market is doing currently. Okay, so now here, what can we see right here? We can see that right at the spot, the market is the market do what? The market break below the moving average. When the price break below the moving average, we see some consolidation right here before the major breakdown, and you can see we have this retracement back up right here. I'm on volatility 1x, volatility 10x. So now when the market shoot back up, shoot back down, and then start correcting all this impulsive move right here. Now when it come back to this top side right here, now this is where we want to monitor. Now we come to this one H4 time frame to know the current market trend. Okay, what the market is doing currently? Is it selling or buying? Now from here we can see that the market do buys. Okay, so let's anticipate that we want to catch this buy move right here. Let's anticipate we want to catch the buy move after this impulsive move right here. We want to catch this buy move. We have already know that the market is selling, which the price have already broke below the moving average. This indicates that the market is selling. Now, how do we now make use of some buys and also the sell move? Okay, this is what we need to know right here. Now, from here on the H4 time frame, the sell has already begun, but let's say we want to make use of the buys. Now, the next thing we want to do is just go straight to our 15-minute time frame. Now, when you get to our 15-minute time frame, remember we are losing the last zoom level. Okay. Now, we go to our 15-minute time frame right here. Now, this, all the buys that we see on the H4, this is all the buys right here. This is all the buys right here. This is all the buys right here. Okay, sorry. So this is all the buys right here. Now, how do we now make use of these opportunities? How do we now make use of this opportunity? Now, to make use of this, the first thing, once you have already confirmed the market trend, the next thing you want to do is you want to come down to your indicator window 1. And what do you want to see right here is you want to see this blue line right here crossing above the green line at the 10 levels of the RSI, right at the 10 levels. Okay, so you see this is the 10 levels line right here. You can see this 10 level line right here. What do you see the price does? Once you see the moving average does, the moving average now come to that 10 level, which is the buy zones, and you can see changing of lines happens right here, which means that the blue line crossing above the green line. When the crosses happens, then we wait. And what are we waiting for right here? Is we want to wait for the price to break above the moving average line, signify that the market wants to go for a buy. Okay, it signifies that the market wants to go for a buy. You can see immediately this happens right here. This happens right here. The crossover happens. Now you can see where we are right now. Where the price is right here. This is where the price is right here. Now the price now come back and touch the moving average line before going back up. Now that is where we are interested in. Now once the breaks happens right here at the break happens right here at the main chart, once the break happens right here, the next thing to wait for is the price to come back and touch the moving average line. Okay, but if you don't want the price to come back and touch the moving average line, you can just enter straight right at this break. Okay, now you want to hold this trade as long as you can. Okay, you want to hold all this move right here, all this move from here, from this here to this here right here. And when are you going to take your entries to close your position? You want to close your position when you see that either the line touching the 90 levels of the RSI or the price move below the moving average. That is when you want to close your position, take your profits, and you are out of the market. Okay, so now let me give you guys one more example. Now let's say that is for the buy. Now let's use the current market condition. Now we see that this happens right here. You see that this happens right here. Now the best part of this strategy is that you stay with the trend. You go along with the trend. Don't trade against the trend. Okay. Now you see that this happens right here. The moving average line broken below the price broken below the moving average line, and we also have something right here which you can see that this line right here crossing below each other at the 90 levels. This is a 100% accuracy that the market is in sell conditions. This is in market is in sell conditions. What are we doing in the market is looking for a sell. Now we go down to our 15-minute time frame right here. This is the area right here. So now the first thing we want to do is we want to see that this happens right here, touching the 90 levels of the RSI. When that happens, the next thing we are looking for is the break right here. Is the price. We want to see the price broken below the moving average line. Once the price broke below the moving average line, then that is where we are expecting to go for a sell. Okay. Now remember this is where the price. Let me zoom. So this is where the price first broke the moving average line, but it does not broke with a candle. It only broke with the wicks. So and also the moving average line is just touching the 90 level, but not just cross over each other. Okay. When the crosses happens, the crosses happens right at this spot right here. Right at this spot right here. This is where the crossover happens, and this is where you want to take your trade. Don't take your trade right at all this here. Don't say that the line has already touched 90 levels and you enter for a trade. No, you wait for the cross to happen, which happens around this spot, and this is where you are interested in jumping to any trade. This is where you're interested in jumping to any trades, and you hold your trades. You catch your move right from here, right from this area right here to this downward movement. Okay, and you take your profit at the next support level, which is at this area right here. So this is where you're expecting to take your profit. Now let's say you enter from here and you take your profit right at this spot. As simple as that is. And if you set a stop loss, you can set your stop loss below this area right here. So this is a simple trade, guys. This is a simple trade, guys, and you can see how we back into a massive profit. Okay, so one more example before I call this a trade right here. Let me go to the fix 75 index, and then remember the first thing, we go down to our 4-hour time frame. And what can we see right here? We are seeing that the market is buying. Okay, now go down to our 15-minute time frame, and we want to be looking for a buy. Now what happens right here? The first thing we see the line touching the 10 levels of the RSI, signifying that the market wants to buy. And the second thing we see is the crossover happens. When the crossover happens, then you want to see the price also broke above the moving average line. When broke it happens, you can jump straight into your trades, or you can wait for the price to come back and touch the moving average line. Then you shoot for your buys. Okay, you hold your trades as long as you can, since you already know that market is buying. Okay, but if you quickly want to scalp, let's say the market want to retrace, want to do some retracements and see an opportunity, you just scalp, you take small profits and you are out. But if you go along with the trend, then you are holding your trades. You trade with the trend, you hold your trades, and if you want to go against the trend, let's say the market want to pull back, you want to catch the pullback, then you scalp. Okay, so as simple as that is, guys. So I hope you guys find this video up right here. I don't want this video to be too long, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. And if I put new strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.